The proposed lossy image compression technique. The proposed image compression technique is a lossy compression technique. Firstly, the image is decomposed into its frequency subbands by using DWT. Among these subbands, LL subband is being compressed by using WDR. The high-frequency subband images are being compressed by using SVD. The number of singular values that are being used in order to reconstruct the high-frequency subbands can be reduced into 1, i.e., the highest singular value is enough to reconstruct the high-frequency subbands. If only one singular value is being used in order to reconstruct a matrix, this means that only one column of U and V matrices are being used. The qualitative loss is not psychovisually noticeable up to some point. In order to obtain the compression ratio of the proposed technique, the total number of bits required to represent the original image is divided by the total of number of bits, which is obtained by adding the number of bit streams of WDR for LL and that of the SVD compression for LH, HL, and HH. Decompression is carried out by taking the inverse WDR, IWDR, of the bit streams in order to reconstruct the LL subband, and in parallel the matrix multiplications are conducted in order to reconstruct LH, HL, and HH subbands. Due to the losses by ignoring low-valued singular values, high-frequency subbands need to be enhanced. For this purpose, stationary wavelet transform, SWT, is applied to the LL subband image, which results in new low and high-frequency subbands. These high-frequency subbands will have the same direction as the ones obtained by DWT, for example, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal, so they will be added to the respective ones reconstructed by matrix multiplications. Now, the LL subband image obtained by IWDR and the enhanced LH, HL, and HH subbands are combined by using inverse DWT, IDWT, in order to reconstruct the decompressed image. The enhancement of high-frequency subbands by using SWT results in more sharpened decompressed image. The block diagram of the proposed lossy image compression technique is shown in Figure 8. The experimental qualitative and quantitative results are represented and discussed in the next section. Block diagram of the proposed blocked-based lossy image compression technique.